upcoming videos. So yes, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can style and wear your white plain dress into many ways. Okay, we will always worry about not having a white skirt. So why to worry when you have a white dress in your closet? So I'll be showing you how you can style it in a formal way, in winters, and in summers, and even in casuals. So let's begin. In this look, I have wore the white dress with a high knotted pair of sandals. In this look, I have worn the dress with a cotton shrug. To complete the look, I have accessorized with a belt, a clutch bag, and a sunglass. In this look, I have worn the white dress with the cropped red blazer. To complete the look, I have accessorized with a bag, with a pair of red boots, which is ankle length, and a sunglass. I have worn the dress as a tube dress, and inside that I have worn the shirt, which is turtleneck, and yeah, I've accessorized with a white heels. In this look, I have wore the white dress with a black trouser, a black shrug which I tied a knot in between, and to complete the look, I have accessorized with a black clutch, a sunglass, Without wearing the shrug, you can accessorize the bag as a fanny bag in the waist, and yeah, you're good to go. This look, I have kept everything the same as the previous looks. Just to complete the look, I have accessorized with a dupatta, wore the bag as a sling bag, and yeah, I'm good to go. In this look, I wore the dress as a tank top with a pair of blue trousers. To complete the look, I've accessorized with a clutch, a pair of white heels, and yeah, I'm good to go. In this look, I've kept the dress like the previous look, just wore the black skirt which is mid-length. To complete the look, I've wore a mid-heel and a denim jacket, and I'm good to go. This look, I've created a formal look, wore the dress as a skirt with the formal shirt. To complete the look, I've accessorized with black heels and a sunglass, and I'm good to go for office. I wore the dress with a crop top and accessorized with a fanny bag, a pair of ankle-length shoes, and I'm good to go for day out. I'll be showing you how you can style the same top into two different ways. So here, I have worn the dress as a skirt with the off-shoulder flat top. Here I have worn the dress above the off-shoulder top. To complete the look, I have accessorized with a green boots. In this, I'll be showing you how you can style your denim jacket into three different ways. Here, I have wore the denim jacket as an off-shoulder, tied a knot. To complete the look, I have wore the white sneakers. In this, I have wore the denim jacket as a normal jacket. Here you can tie the denim jacket in your waist, and yeah, you're good to go. In this look, I wore the white dress, carrying a black blazer. Entering a meeting, you can wear the black blazer, and to complete the look, you can pair with a white pair of heels and a sunglass, and you're ready to go for a meeting. I've created a winter look with a white dress, wearing a turtleneck inside, with the same black blazer, and wearing a pair of knee-length boots. You can wear the same look without the blazer, pairing up with a fanny bag and a ankle-length boots, and you're ready to go out. This is the last look I have created with the same white dress and keeping it full white, pairing up with the satin blazer, tying a knot in the between. To complete the look, I have accessorized with a clutch, a pair of white heels and a sunglass, and I'm good to go. Like, share and comment, and yeah, don't forget to share my video with your friends and families too.